Welcome to Calvinson and Math. Let us look at this interesting question. Solve for x in log to base 3 of x equals -1. So we have log base 3 of x equals -1. So we can write -1 as a product of two numbers. We can write it as log base 3 of x equals -1 times 1. Then we can write 1 differently. Remember that when you have log to base a of a, that is the same as having the number 1. So we can write 1 as a base 3. So we'll have that log to base 3 of x equals -1 times 1, which can be written as log to base 3 of 3. Then from here we can apply the third law of logarithms, that is, if you have n log to base a of b, that is the same as having log to base a of b to power n. So we can apply this to write the right hand side of our equation, so that we have log to base 3 of x equals log to base 3 of 3 raised to power -1. So at this point, we can compare both sides of this equation. We have log to base 3 of a number x being equal to log to base 3 of 3 raised to power -1. So it means those two numbers are equal. So x equals 3 raised to power -1. Then from the laws of indices, any number, let's say the number a raised to -1 is the same as 1 over a. So we can use this to rewrite 3 raised to power -1, so that x equals 3 raised to power -1 can be written as 1 over 3 as the answer for x. So we can check if our answer is actually a third. So let us check and see if our answer is that. So remember what we had was that log to base 3 of x equals -1. So we just substitute where x is, we put a third, so that we have log to base 3 of a third, and we want to see if that will give us a -1. So we can write a third using the laws of logarithms or laws of indices as log to base 3. We can write a third as 3 raised to -1, and we're going to check if that is equal to -1. So we can apply the third law of logarithms, so that we bring -1 before the log, so that we have -1 times the log of 3 to base 3, and we check if that will give us -1. And look at this, log to base 3 of 3 is the same as 1. From the laws of logarithms, log to base 3 of 3 is 1. So we have -1 times 1, and we check if that equals -1. -1 times 1 is -1, and that is actually equal to -1. So that our solution, that x equals a third, is true. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel.